Let's see what's on this target. Let's see. There's no nothing. See, I don't think there's anything here. Oh, they already got the combi. Let's see what we have. There's nothing here. Doesn't look like it's fresh. H case. Hey, let me dig. I think I just saw Harry Potter's car. Crazy.
2,000 years later.
Alright, the R32 still eludes us. Looks like they restock the vintage racing. I'm seeing another one of these. Yesterday there was only one, now there's two. So I think we may have missed a drop. Alright, there's nothing else here. There's nothing on the bin. It's not freshly restocked. You got a 2025 F1s. And this one is just old stuff. Alright, I think it's time to go. Alright, let's see what's left on this target. Looks like they restock on the cartoon. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing on the matchbox. Definitely nothing on the 2-pack. Huh. Nothing. Nothing. Oh boy. Alright. And the bin doesn't look like it's fresh. It's so empty. Old cards, nothing. Like you can tell. Alright, time to go. Alright, let's see what's up and see if there's something good. Oh, okay. Someone was repegging and pegged the pegs. But everything's old. It doesn't look like it's full. Just by looking at it, it's old stuff. Oh boy. Huh. There's nothing. Ford truck. Oh boy, there's nothing. Alright, time to go. Alright, we're coming in a different time at this Walmart. So expectation is low. I don't see anything.
How are you?
Good, good. Let's see what else do we have here. Oh, they must have dropped another boulevard, old boulevards. I don't see anything good. Ugh. Is there anything here? The new speed icons. Oh, I see a new speed icon. Oh, this one's new. Ah. We are late going to this Target, but let's check what's left. Alright. Nobody touched cartooned. Oh, somebody did. But let's check. Just in case someone didn't see anything. Oh, that's a good one. Ford Mustang. This one's a good one. Huh. Okay. I get a Ford Mustang. Alright. That's an MR2. Then I found another good looking truck here. Ford F100. Both good looking trucks. Yeah, it looks like whoever, oh, maybe it just didn't fit. Okay, so what's next? It's Datsun 510. Ah, it'd be nice to change the tire on this guy. Let's see what's left. Nothing's left. Well, nothing good, that is. I don't see anything. Yep. Nothing. This is where they got the two R32s. One of the collectors has the connections inside the store, so can't beat that. He was able to snag the super for the H case, which is the Lotus, and the R32. So can't compete with that when you have connections inside Target. Alright, it's time to go, nothing else.
A few moments later.
Alright, so now a continuation of our previous video. We said we decided to open our PlayStation Elite 64 911 GT2 EVO 993. So let's go ahead and crack it. Let's see. Let me look at it closely. Okay, completely sealed. So let's go ahead and let me see if I can cleanly open this. There's gotta be a way to cleanly open this. I think you gotta, because I think it's pressed. There you go. Oh, it's separated. And there you have it. There you go. Got it open. Oh, then there's another plastic inside. What in the world? Is there another plastic inside? Yep. And there you have it. Completely opened. Wow, that is cool. That's very cool. So this is your 9911 GT2 EVO. Look at that. 911 GT. PlayStation. Love the wing. Really, really nice. There you have it. It's unboxed. Really gorgeous diecast. Just had to clean up. Little cleanup. And there you have it. Nice. Okay, let's see if, just for fun again, we're gonna pull a Yu-Gi-Oh. Let's see if we are able to pull a rare card. Okay. Black hole. Oop. What's this? Resurrection of Chakra. What in the world? What in the world? Let's see. Is there anything good? Pegasus wing. Papazuli. That's the one. That's not a good one. Maybe, I don't know. Bird of beginning. There's nothing. Oh, what's this? Diablos. Okay, so that's that one. I'm not sure if this has any significance. We'll check. So let's go ahead and practice sealed pack and see if we can find a rare card. Marnices. Okay. Nothing. We didn't pull anything. But let's go ahead and check this guy. This thing has some shiny stuff in it. Maybe they all are. But there's nothing on the back though. Let me check each one of them based on this pack. So let's do that.